What if I told you you'll soon stop clicking websites altogether? No searching, no scrolling, no opening 10 tabs. You just tell your browser what you want, and it does everything for you. Sounds futuristic? It's already here. And once you see this, normal browsing will feel outdated. Think about how we browse today. We search on Google, we open links, we jump between tabs, we copy-paste links into AI tools, and we repeat this process all day. Now, imagine a browser where you don't click, you command. A browser that opens websites, researches for you, compares options, summarizes pages, and shows results instantly. That's exactly what this AI browser does. This browser is called Comet, built by Perplexity AI. And no, this video is not sponsored. I'm showing it because it genuinely changes how browsing works. If traditional browsers don't adapt to this model, they'll become obsolete. Getting started is simple. Go to Google and search Comet Browser. Open the official Perplexity AI website and download it. It's lightweight, installs in seconds, works on Windows and Mac OS. During setup, you can import bookmarks and passwords, choose light or dark mode, set it as your default browser, and once installed, log in with a Google account to unlock full AI features. And now, you're ready. Let me show you what makes this different. Instead of typing, I just say, find me a green screen backdrop within my budget and open the best product page. That's it. The browser searches online, filters results, finds the right product, opens the exact page. No typing, no browsing, no guessing. It feels like giving instructions to a personal assistant. Now let's do something we all hate, online shopping research. I say, find the best headphones within my budget, compare multiple stores and show me the top 3 options with pricing, features, pros, cons, and links. Within seconds, I get a clean comparison, pricing, feature breakdown, and direct purchase links. If I like one, I click and I'm done. This alone saves hours every month. Next, staying updated. Instead of reading endless articles, I say, check major news sites and summarize the latest AI updates in 5 points. The browser scans multiple sources, removes the noise, and gives me a simple summary, with sources. If something matters, I open it. If not, I move on. No overload, no wasted time. This isn't just a browser. It's a new way to interact with the internet. Instead of search, click, read, copy, ask AI, and return, you now have command, result. Whether you're a professional, a freelancer, a student, a founder, a content creator, this saves time, improves decisions, and removes friction. The best part? The standard version is completely free. There is a paid version with advanced features, but for most people, the free version is more than enough. And again, this video is not sponsored. We're moving from clicking the web to commanding the web. Once you try this, traditional browsing feels slow and outdated. If you use a computer daily, this is worth testing. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with someone who lives in their browser. And if you're new here, subscribe, because AI like this is changing everything, and we cover it first. I'll see you in the next one.